Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Camscanner on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your App Store. Here now on the bottom side you can see there are various options. Tap on the search and go to the search bar and search for Camscanner. The very first one is Camscanner, and then tap on get, then enter your fingerprint or your password. Now it'll start getting downloaded. Now that it is downloaded, tap on open. And this is how you download Camscanner in your iOS device. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.